Good day, members, and welcome. This short video will guide you on how to vote during the Western United Credit Union's annual general meeting using our secure online voting system. Before voting begins, you will receive an email inviting you to vote in the AGM. This email contains your unique voting link. Please note, this link is confidential and should not be shared. Each member can vote only once. For the best experience, please ensure you have a stable internet connection. You may vote using your mobile phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. When voting is announced during the AGM, simply open your email and click the voting link. This will take you directly to your personal ballot. First, you will see the section titled Nominees for Board of Directors. Please follow the instructions shown on the screen. You are required to select exactly 4 candidates. You may also click the information icon, shown as the letter I on the right side of each candidate, to view additional information about that candidate. After reviewing the information, simply close the window and continue with your selection. If you select less than or more than the required number, the system will notify you immediately. Simply adjust your selection until the correct number is chosen. Once completed, you will be allowed to continue. Next, you will see Nominees for Credit Committee. Please select 2 candidates. Again, if your selection is incorrect, the system will prompt you to fix it before proceeding. Then, you will vote for nominees for Supervisory Committee. Select 2 candidates and continue. Before submitting your vote, you will have an opportunity to review your selections. Please take a moment to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click Submit Vote. Please note, once your vote is submitted, it cannot be changed. After submitting, you will see a confirmation that your vote has been successfully recorded. You will also have the option to click Download Receipt, which provides proof that your vote was submitted while keeping your selections private. If you experience any difficulty, please contact the WESCU support team or visit the assistance desk at the venue. Our team will be available to assist you. Thank you for participating in the democratic process of Western United Credit Union Cooperative Society Limited. Your vote matters and your voice counts. We look forward to your participation.